Good morning. Well, we had a bad week this week. Looks like we busted a hydraulic line for the tractor, and I'm going to be, kind of stuck without this tractor. So, something I've never done before, but I'm going to take a shot and see if it's something I can fix. I know I'll have to have a hydraulic line made for it, but first to have one made, I got to see what I got. So I got to get it off. And of course, it's the bottom hydraulic line in the middle, the hardest one to get at. So I think I've got to take a few more off to find out where this hydraulic line, how far up inside it comes. And so to see if I can get a new one made and get it replaced. So that being said, I'm going to get to it. Off though. GoPro stop recording. Hey. I knew I was going to have to cover these up as I pull the lines off, and so I stopped at the hardware store and I bought these chair bottom leg covers so you don't scratch your floors, and hoping they'd work, and it looks like they fit perfectly. So score one for the home team. GoPro stop recording. Oh, you fucker. Okay. I'm also marking these hoses because just in case. I mean, it probably shouldn't be too difficult to figure out which one goes where, but due to length and everything, but it'll just make things a little bit easier, I think. I guess we'll see. So I have different color tape, enough for 6 of these that I keep on hand here all the time because you never know when you're going to need colored tape. Electrical tape. Electrical tape, that is. And as I said, these fit pretty good. So lucky. Orange. Blue. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. Do with it? What did you do with the knob? Okay. Oh, I think I found it. Where are they? Where are the mouses? Go find them. Go find the mouses. All right, so what we've got here is a very... Go find it, Sophie. Go find your stick. Go find your stick. Well, I've color coded things. That's about all I can do for today. I got to take all of these hoses out of here. I got a real mess down in here that I got to take care of before I can get the hoses out. So that's enough for today. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens next.